Hello everyone, welcome to Boulevard Shopping Mall here in Miri, Sarawak. It is at the moment Christmas is coming very soon, so there are lots of Christmas decor here. Everyone here in Miri has this holiday mood now. A lot of people are having holidays and going overseas for vacation. Here are some of the Christmas decor here at Boulevard Shopping Center. In Malaysia, there are no seasons, so it's always hot and wet. So the best kind of way to celebrate Christmas is definitely to just go to shopping malls, and lots of places here in Miri have Christmas decors. Here we are at 52 Toys. There are lots of blind boxes here. These are the Mickey out to vacation blind boxes. Let's check out to see what other blind box. This is the panda version. Here there is the Lotso from Toy Story, some Stitch, and here we are. This is one of my favorite places to record a video, the place where you can see all the lift. Looks quite nice. This is shopping mall has been here for a couple of decades, but it still looks quite modern these days. Now I am heading to the grocery section. It's one of my favorite places to visit. Here are all the Japanese food that they have now. It is placed in the corner with a welcoming message speaking in Japanese. この機会をお見逃しなく、ぜひお好みの商品をお選びください。ご来店いただき、誠にありがとうございます。日本語訳アナウンスでようこそ。ボルバードハイパーマーケットへ。ただいま、商品や配送中です。There is also this very nice Christmas tree. The atrium here also has lots of Christmas trees. For this whole month that you're in a lot of places here in Miri, the background music for most shopping malls, restaurants and many places are going to be playing Christmas songs till Christmas arrives in a couple of weeks. So many different Christmas gifts here. Here are some of the stuff that you can buy at a shopping mall with the government aid to help those in need. Just pay with the IC. Here we are now at the shopping area, the grocery section of this mall. I always feel quite impressed, especially shopping here, because it is quite big and the selection of food is plentiful. Okay, let's see what my trolley sees. This vlog will end very soon, so hope you enjoy watching this video. I have used the Insta360 Go Ultra. Now it's mounted on the trolley, just to give you a view, the POV from the trolley